Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week, I'm moving away from the productivity tools that I've been covering recently and looking at a new application I discovered to help solve a problem: coping with the amount of streaming subscriptions I have. There used to be a time when it was simple. There were just a few around, like Netflix or Amazon Prime Video. The cost wasn't too bad and it was really easy to manage. Now, there are just far too many to deal with, and I want to manage my spend a little bit better. Now, Seasons is a new iOS app that helps keep track of this. I'm already a big fan and I wanted to share it with you. Now, ordinarily, I wouldn't cover finding it in the App Store because that's kind of easy, but because it's new and there are lots of apps with Seasons in the name, I thought it was actually best to show you. Now, this is the search result we want here, Streaming Companion. And this is the app. So I'll tap Get and just download. And it's here. So I click Open. Okay, give me a chance. I can't review you just yet. I've just downloaded you. So here we've got just a few screens that tell you what the application is for. All of it will make sense as we work through the video. And I'll just tap through until we get to this screen, which displays some popular shows at the moment that you're going to add to your watch list. It's okay to run through some of these. So I want the Acolyte. I'll have Dark Matter here, X-Men 97, and Eric here. Let's do one more. Let's do Shogun. That's 5. And then if I try and tap a 6th one, so Fallout, a banner appears saying that our limit of programs on our watch list has been reached on the free version and we need the pro version to add any more. Now, I am going to run through what the pro version includes on the next screen and how much it costs. So I'll tap Next. And we can see that there is an ad here. So I'm going to remove this and come up to tap on Pro. So what do you get and how much does it cost? Well, with the Pro version, there are no advertisements. You can add unlimited shows and movies to your watch list. You can have multiple optimization strategies. And this means that Seasons can guide you as to when you should cancel a subscription because there are no shows coming up on your watch list that you need to watch. And also, family sharing is enabled. So a subscription for you means that members of your family sharing group are included as well. It's $8.99 for a lifetime purchase, and 12 months will cost you $3.49 per year. And you get a 1-week free trial for this as well. Now, I'm just going to pause and make sure that the Pro version is enabled on this device now.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.